In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse channels in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or have been using it for some time, knowing how to efficiently navigate and explore channels can greatly enhance your productivity and collaboration efforts. So, let's dive right into it. First, open your Slack app on your device or simply log in through your web browser. The interface might look slightly different depending on whether you're using a desktop or mobile version. But don't worry, the basic principles remain the same. Once you're in, on the left sidebar, you'll notice a list of channels that you are already a part of. However, what if you're looking to join a new channel or simply want to explore? Easy. Just look for the small plus icon next to the channel's header in the sidebar. Go ahead and click that. When you do so, you'll be greeted by a new window titled Browse Channels. This window will give you access to a comprehensive list of all the channels available in your Slack workspace. You can scroll through the list to explore channels, but if you have a specific interest or team you want to engage with, there's a handy search bar at the top. Type in keywords related to the channel topic you're interested in, and Slack will filter the list accordingly. This is particularly useful in large workspaces with hundreds of channels. Now, as you browse through the list, you might notice that some channels have a lock icon next to them. These are private channels, and you'll need an invitation from the channel owner to join. For most channels without a lock icon, though, you can simply click on it to learn more. Clicking on a channel name brings up a brief description of the channel, including the purpose and any guidelines or topics they frequently discuss. It's always a good idea to read this information so you understand the expectations and type of content typically shared in that channel. If it aligns with your interests or work needs, just click the Join Channel button usually found at the top. Once you're part of a channel, you can actively participate in conversations, share updates, or even just lurk and observe, which is completely fine too. And remember, if at any point you find a channel isn't for you, you can easily leave it. Just open the channel, click on the channel name at the top, and select Leave Channel from the drop-down menu. So, there you have it. You now know how to efficiently browse and join channels in Slack, connecting with the right teams and discussions that matter to you. Mastering this skill will certainly enhance how you collaborate and communicate with your colleagues. Thanks for watching and happy Slack browsing.